Welcome to your 5-minute Stress Buster meditation. Take a moment to settle in, find a comfortable position, and close your eyes if that feels right for you. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a peaceful lake. The air is fresh and crisp, and the sun warms your skin. The gentle lapping of water against the shore is the only sound that breaks the silence. Breathe deeply, filling your lungs with this tranquility. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. As you exhale, release any tension you're holding. Repeat this breath, feeling your body soften and relax with each exhale. Now, bring your attention to your feet. Feel the solid ground beneath them, grounding you in the present moment. Wiggle your toes, sending a wave of relaxation up your legs. Next, move your awareness to your hands. Rest them gently on your lap or on your heart. Feel the gentle thrum of your heartbeat, a steady rhythm of life. Imagine warmth radiating from your hands, spreading calmness throughout your body. Scan your body from head to toe, checking for any areas of tension. Like gentle waves on the lake, imagine these areas softening and easing with each exhale. Let go of any worries or anxieties, allowing them to float away on the current of your breath. For the next minute, simply focus on your breath. Observe it without judgment, simply noticing its natural rhythm. If your mind wanders, bring your attention back to your breath, like a feather returning to its resting place. Slowly, when you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, feeling refreshing and rejuvenating air filling your lungs. Stretch your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes if you have closed them. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Remember, you can always access this inner peace, even in the midst of chaos. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time for self-care. You deserve to feel calm and centered. And now, as you return to your day, you may feel lighter, brighter, and ready to face anything that comes your way. Remember, even just 5 minutes of mindfulness can make a big difference. So take a breath, find your calm, and come back to yourself whenever you need it.